Welcome to Designing for Comfort: How to Make Every Room Feel Just Right. In this video, we'll explore the essential elements that transform any space into a haven of comfort. From perfecting your lighting to selecting the right textiles, we'll guide you through simple yet effective strategies to enhance relaxation and well-being in your home. Join us as we delve into room layout, calming color choices, and personalized decor, and unlock the secrets to creating a space that feels just right for you. 1. Layered lighting for the right mood. Lighting sets the stage in any room, acting as both functional and decorative elements. By incorporating a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting, you can create an atmosphere that is both warm and flexible. Ambient lighting provides the overall illumination, while task lighting focuses on specific areas like reading nooks or kitchen counters. Accent lighting highlights particular features such as artwork or architectural details. Dimmable lights are an excellent choice as they allow you to adjust the brightness according to your mood or the time of day. Imagine the tranquility of a softly lit room as you unwind in the evening, compared to the brightness needed for morning tasks. 2. Soft textiles for a cozy atmosphere. Your textiles are the unsung heroes of a comfortable space, adding layers of warmth and texture. Incorporating plush rugs, throw blankets, and cushions in soft, breathable fabrics like cotton, wool, or velvet can elevate the coziness of any room. These elements invite you to sink in and relax, offering a tactile experience that is both comforting and indulgent. Picture a living room where a velvet throw blanket is draped over a sofa, inviting you to snuggle up with a good book. Soft textiles not only add to the visual appeal but also create a sensory experience that feels like a warm embrace. 3. Ergonomic furniture for relaxation. Furniture is the cornerstone of comfort in any room, and choosing pieces with ergonomic design is key to promoting relaxation. Chairs and sofas with proper support are essential for maintaining good posture and preventing discomfort. A well-cushioned couch with the right depth and armrest height can transform your living space into a sanctuary of relaxation. Ergonomic furniture supports your body in all the right places, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Think of a chair that cradles your back and allows your feet to rest comfortably on the floor, making it clear that comfort is a priority. 4. Optimal room temperature and airflow. The temperature and airflow of a room greatly affect its comfort level. Utilizing smart thermostats, ceiling fans, or breathable fabrics can help regulate temperature and ensure proper air circulation. A room that is too cold or too hot can be uncomfortable, while stagnant air can make it feel stuffy. By maintaining an optimal temperature and promoting airflow, you create an environment that is pleasant year-round. Imagine a room where the air feels fresh and the temperature is just right, creating a space where you can truly relax and feel at ease. 5. Calming color palette. Color has a profound impact on mood, and choosing the right palette can create a soothing environment. Soft, earthy tones or pastels are known for their calming effects, while warm neutrals add coziness without feeling too dark or heavy. These colors work together to create a harmonious backdrop that enhances relaxation and comfort. Picture a bedroom adorned in soft blues and gentle greens, reminiscent of a serene landscape that invites you to unwind. The right color palette can transform a room into a peaceful retreat that feels just right. 6. Personalized decor for a welcoming feel. Personal touches in decor are what make a house feel like a home. Surrounding yourself with meaningful art, family photos, and personal mementos creates a space that reflects your personality and history. These elements add warmth and character, making your space uniquely yours. Consider a gallery wall filled with cherished memories or a shelf displaying treasured keepsakes. Personalized decor not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also fosters a sense of belonging and comfort. 7. Noise control for a peaceful space. Noise can be a significant disruptor of comfort, and controlling it is essential for creating a peaceful space. Thick curtains, rugs, and upholstered furniture help absorb sound, reducing noise levels and making the room quieter. These elements work together to create a serene environment where you can focus, relax, or sleep undisturbed. Imagine a bedroom where the outside noise fades away, allowing you to enjoy a restful night's sleep. Noise control transforms your space into a haven of tranquility. 8. Thoughtful room layout for easy movement. A well-thought-out room layout promotes easy movement and reduces stress. Arranging furniture to encourage natural flow and avoid clutter is crucial for creating a comfortable environment. Keeping pathways open and considering traffic patterns ensures that the space is functional and inviting. Picture a living room where furniture is arranged to facilitate conversation and movement, creating a space that feels welcoming and organized. A thoughtful layout enhances both the usability and comfort of a room. 9. Indoor plants for freshness and well-being. Indoor plants are a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. They improve air quality and add a natural, refreshing element that makes a space feel more alive. The presence of greenery introduces a sense of tranquility and well-being, transforming your room into a peaceful oasis. Think of a corner filled with lush plants, where the vibrant green foliage adds life and vitality to the space. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also contribute to a healthier, more comfortable environment. 10. Pleasant scents for a multi-sensory experience. Scent is a powerful tool for creating a multi-sensory experience in your home. Using candles, essential oil diffusers, or fresh flowers introduces calming scents like lavender, vanilla, or eucalyptus. These aromas can evoke a sense of peace and relaxation, enhancing the overall comfort of a room. Imagine walking into a room filled with the gentle fragrance of lavender, instantly putting you at ease and inviting you to unwind. Pleasant scents enrich your space, making it feel just right in every sense.